Welcome, 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 welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make a simple chicken filling. You can use this for your patties. You can use them on a piece of bread. I mean, there's no limit to what you can use these in. Okay, here's our chicken. They're cooked and I season them. Okay, and you can season them however you like. And if you don't know how to season your chicken, I do have several videos up on how I season my chicken. You can go ahead and check those out. Okay, so our chicken, make sure your hands are clean, or you can wear gloves, but I like to touch my food, so I do not wear gloves unless I'm serving the food that's already cooked. Okay, you're not going to use the skin. Okay, so I did cook it with the skin, but we're not going to use the skin. What you're going to do is just take all of the meat off. Okay, you're going to remove everything that's not meat. All right, so I'm going to take this meat and we're going to put it in our little processor. Okay, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the rest of my meat out, and I'm going to come back and show you what I do next. All right, once you get all your chicken in, you want to go ahead and just give it a quick okay, this is the consistency, okay, I was looking for, like a tuna fish consistency. All right, and you're going to also need some of these vegetables. I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, I have parsley, onion, garlic, and I have fresh lime, just in case I may need to squeeze it. And also I have a Scotch bonnet. I just cut a little piece because it's very spicy. But if I need a little bit more, then I'll just add a little bit more. Okay, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. So let me get my stove on and I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, to my pan, I add just a little bit of oil. Okay, to my oil, I'm going to add my onions, my peppers, I'm not going to add my garlic yet because I like to add that after a few minutes of this sweating down, only because we don't want our garlic to burn. All right, and I have my stove on medium heat. Now I'll be adding my garlic. Mix it in with this like that. Now I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce, just a little bit. We're going to allow this to cook for about a minute. And then I'll come back. All right, after a few minutes, you're gonna add in your chicken. To my chicken, I'm going to add just a squeeze of lime. I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet and my parsley. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken seasoning. crushed black pepper. I mean, my chicken already, you know, has seasoning, but I didn't over season it while I was cooking it, just so I can go ahead and adjust the flavor like right now. So you're going to mix everything in. All right. Once you're done stirring it up, you want to just take a piece and taste it. The flavor is good, but it's missing a little bit of acid and a little bit of heat. So this time around, I'm gonna add some of this hot sauce I have here. Oops. We all know Haitian filling is always has a little kick of spiciness in it, so you got to make sure it is spicy, guys, but not too spicy. And if you want yours a little more red, add a little bit more tomato sauce or tomato paste. And do not add too much oil. I mean, you can add just a drop of water in there, you know, if you need to, but do not add too much oil because you don't want it greasy. All right, and that's all it takes to make a nice, delicious chicken filling. All right, guys, here is our fabulous, fabulous, fabulous chicken filling. It is absolutely outstanding. It is tasty, delicious, y'all. The heat level is just where it needs to be. So if whatever you're doing, if you need a filling, this is your go-to. You can put these in little plantain cups. There's no limit to what you can use this to. I'm gonna just eat it with some good old Haitian bread. Until next time, guys, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Delicious, y'all.